How to download and install the American Express app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and install the American Express app on your mobile device. So to do that, first of all, go to your App Store if you're using an iPhone and simply go to your Play Store if you're using any other device. Now, since I'm using an iPhone, I'll simply go to my App Store and in the search bar, I'll simply type in American Express. Now, simply download either the American Express US version of the app, or if you're in the Canada, just like me, simply download the Amex Canada version. Simply tap on the option Get, and once you've done that, the download will start. And the process is basically the same for your Android device as well. Simply go to your Play Store, in the search bar, type in American Express or Amex. Simply download which version of the app you'd like to download. It may be American version or it may be the Canadian version. After that, simply wait for the app to complete downloading. Now, once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on the option Open, or you can simply open the app. And just like that, as you can see, you have successfully downloaded and installed the American Express app on a mobile device. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.